Hey guys, if you like camp cooking and just hanging out around the campfire, stick around because it's foodie weekend and it starts right now. Welcome back. If it's your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can follow along as we share RV travel, adventures, and outdoor cooking. So before it's time for the girls to head back to school, we get together with family and friends and celebrate the Labor Day weekend and just relax and kick back and enjoy some good old-fashioned camp cooking. Okay, look into the camera and you ready? Action! Do you talk? Or are you just a scary character that don't talk? No, no one's good at it. No one's good at it. Don't do it.
You just go like this a bunch of times.
Go.
Say it scary, like Batman. Go boo. I'm scared because of him.
I'm storming, breaking like the tide. Every time a bit dizzy, I close my
Weekends like this are nice because it allows you to unplug, get away from the troubles of the world, connect with friends and family on a different level.
like an oak, I will stay right here in this valley and be closer to home every hour. And the earth is gonna hold me, show my worth in us as we get closer to home.
Push her.
Look up.
Life is like
Sarah, just look up at me.
water and ice. We're getting closer by the minute now. Mystery of the unknown. Come to me. Let it be shown. Reaching for you. Stretching like an oak, I I give in. I'm storming.
We enjoy the moments we spend with friends and family on the road. I often look back at the memories of past years and remember the look of joy the kids had on their faces like it was just yesterday. I now can see that same look in our grandkids' eyes, and that makes us overwhelmingly proud of the effects trips like these instill in us as a family. I'd like to have it.
No, I mean put the chips in the bag and bring the grape in front.
Hallelujah! Hallelujah! Everything about the RV lifestyle is about not waiting to make memories that last a lifetime. Whether you part-time or full-time, we encourage you to get out there and make those memories before it's too late. Enjoy that grandson's early morning holler of Papa from across the campground. Enjoy those moments, the little things that are often taken for granted. Life's too short not to enjoy every moment, so just take these days and let it settle in, and you'll thank yourself later. So if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment below. And don't forget, click that little subscribe button right here. And while you're at it, check out another one of these great videos. We'll see you out there.